Okay, so the volume level is fine, which means that it's enough to fill up a smaller room, but maybe not enough for a larger space or to play music by a bigger pool. Regarding the audio quality, the mids and the highs are nice and clean, they are not too harsh. On maximum volume, there are some distortions here or there, however it's not common. So overall the sound is nice, balanced. You do not have the feeling that the music comes from a small box. Unfortunately, the bass is quite weak, you do not really get more what the smallest speakers provide, like the JBL Go. So if this is an important factor for you, or you mainly listen bass heavy songs, then the JBL Clip 2 is not the best choice for you. So this was for today. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the thumbs up. I was Norbert Kopasz and you watched The Speaker Fanatic.